Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Justice Marumisa, though you can't see my face. This is a representation of my final year dissertation project, Diploma Science Education. On the book there, we've got a schematic or circuit diagram of my circuit. This is a representation of a burglar alarm system. In fact, this was actually a screamer circuit at first. This whole circuit works on the principle of the LDR that I'm pointing at being exposed to light or heat energy and having a lower or a higher resistance. When there is light, this circuit actually works in such a way as for the buzzer, which is there. It works in such a way that this buzzer starts making a noise. When we cover the LDR or when we switch off the light, this LDR actually switches off the circuit. There is no sound or minimal sound. We can take a look at the actual representation on the actual what is called a breadboard. This is the actual circuit now. As we can see, I can try to point out where my finger is at there, that is the LDR. Then where my other hand is pointing at that black sort of object, that is the IC, which is our brain of the circuit. And then the actual output of this thing is actually the what? The buzzer, which is separate from the circuit, but is actually really joined to the circuit. And then let us try to test it. As you can see, the circuit is off right now, meaning that the frequency is actually supposed to be on 0. It's actually supposed to be on 0 on that meter, isn't it? Immediately when we try to turn on the circuit, the meter is actually supposed to be on 0. It is oscillating from values of 0 to up to around 13. But the actual steady value is what? 0 Hertz, because this circuit has not been turned on. This works on the principle of an intruder or a burglar entering our household through the window or the door, and then actuates a switch which switches on the house light or switches on an LED, which is going to bounce on top of the what? The LDR there, is it? And this is what we call the CRT, this white TV-like object. This is actually meant to show the waveform of our circuit, which is probably going to be a square waveform. And this one is a common multimeter, but we can call it a very special multimeter, which is a fluke. This time it's actually set on hertz to show the frequency of our of our circuit. Then let's try to actuate this circuit now. Alright, now we are actuating our switch there now. This is the switch and this is the switch. We put it into that slot there. And immediately you can see at the voltmeter there, it's showing a reading of 2.39 Hertz. And let's look at our CRT there. Our CRT is bouncing from level to level, but it's actually showing a value of 2.30 Hertz. And then our buzzer is actually also making a what? A noise. This is an actual audible noise. Had been the frequency high enough, we wouldn't have heard the what? The actual noise of this thing. But this is how the circuit works. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to put it on the actual what? LDR. And then you're going to see that the noise is going to cease. It has ceased somewhat. Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen.